Check.
They call you.
Q. And when able, I will take a squawk for the Viper demo.
Roger.
Pull up. Alright. Engine's good to go. All started up. We just did our light checks. Make sure all my master caution lights are going to be working throughout the flight.
Boss Tower, squawk is 5332.
Engine check.
Copy 5322.
Alright, just make sure the nozzle closes fully. Then I got to do a run-up check with the nozzle closed. Check's good.
Mustang would like to taxi.
Back to
Ready Mustang.
regular engine mode. Pulling the pin for the EPU to check my
right turn down to
power unit.
Echo. Right turn down to Echo out of the pits, Mustang.
Got to be on 100% O2 for this check. Good. Now just firing up all the avionics. It'll take the avionics about 2 minutes to fully warm up and be functional for what I need to do. Now I'm just cycling the flight controls, trying to get all the air out of the system before I do my flight control check through the actual aircraft.
Tuno, do you want a squawk?
I don't need one really unless you want me to have one.
Yeah, you're going to be behind the crowd, so I want to make sure we... Well, we're going to have the full
Actually gonna run it
5
up
ring at 2 o'clock,
for my
so you'll
air
be
system
okay.
here.
Right,
Sometimes
that's
it
what I thought, thanks.
Yeah.
has some faults in it for when it gets humid out. Alright, that fixed it. It usually does. Just have to run it up, get the air flowing. Now we're letting the system test the flight controls.
And Tuno. Taxi now to Charlie, intersection takeoff.
That's Charlie, E28.
You got about 7 minutes to get airborne.
Well,
doing a quick flight controls check with my crew chief to verify all the flight controls are moving the way they're supposed to be. I have a few different modes I have to check in the flight controls, and then a few different brake channels I'm checking now with my chief out front to verify it's working properly. A few more checks here. Got to check my radar altimeter to make sure it's telling me the right altitudes for when I'm close to the ground. Get my altimeter set to 0. We set it to 0 because even though we're at a different mean sea level altitude than AGL altitude, we can't do the pilot math fast enough for all of our repositions that require a certain altitude, so we just set it to 0 so that we are only having to look at hold numbers during our reposition. Always check my G-suit to make sure it's properly hooked up and inflating properly. It's kind of a big deal for when I'm flying. And now we're all finished with the launch, just waiting for time to taxi, which will be in 5 minutes.
Viper demo, you up?
Viper's up.
5, tree 2 for your squawk.
Viper, 5322.
Yes, ma'am, when you're ready to taxi, you can taxi to runway 35 at Foxtrot.
Copy, I'm going to taxi now down to Fox. Viper.
Roger that. Your dad's here at Show Center.
Oh, I don't know that man. I'm just kidding. He loves getting to take pics with you guys, so thanks for letting him up there.
You bet. T-28, you ready? T-28's ready. T-28, runway 17, intersection departure, straight south, 3 miles, then maneuver on your own. You are cleared for takeoff. Good go 17 right, I appreciate it. You bet. Where are you going? Just across town, West Houston. Well, okay, have a good time. All right, check everything for me, John. I got the... you're stepped on. 2 people talking. T-28, go. 28. All right, who else was calling? Viper, boss.
Go.
They're still knocking down some of this fire. Is the smoke okay for you?
Looks like it's good for me.
Okay, good.
Hearing myself breathe during this demo is going to be the worst.
Doing a line up and wait. Line up, waiting a heritage check.
Viper.
Viper, line up and wait. I'm waiting for some time and some police, the fire department, but put you on the runway and we'll wait until they're done.
Alright, might have been waiting behind the Mustang, and whenever everyone's in place, I'll be good to go.
Boss, Opti 3.
2-3, go.
Opti 3 looking to proceed on hotel, north south.
North-south, approved.
Opti 3.
Okay, seat top altimeter is zeroized.
Two. Okay, guys, we're going to start the narration as briefed. Have a good flight. Copy, thanks. Heritage, let's push the screen.
Alright, Heritage and Viper own it. Over dog.
Heritage check.
Viper.
Mustang's rolling.
What'd you say, Tina?
I said I'm rolling.
Oh, good, see you in the air. You guys ready down there?
Ready.
All right, stand by hack in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hack.
Good hack.
Good morning, cruisers. Somehow I forgot to count to 5. All right, our team owns the airspace. Tuna's taken off. Last little stretch. Always say a prayer before I fly. It'll be half key then, no shark.
2. From the air boss, helicopter 2 miles north of the field, traveling north 500 and lower.
Copy, thanks. Here we go. Run it up.
2.
Rolling.